O MP ke Tura saling sang mau la Kynthoh jur Pyrshah ke Seng National People's Party dah ke maham dah ke vote ya ka ki election KHADC but JHADC ke ban Ilekshon kala ban penduk hitiau nak ke bentah ki rukom sin syartan rai pok kini ke jela. Ulakam bekirai bedang shenjong ke Seng NPP Kynthoh bru benang penjelan cu ya ki por IY nak ke bentah ki nombay tengka nak ke lai post nem syakan real post nem. Ke penpau syai ke jing syak liang ke jong ka ya ki beriu ke benabar. Dah ke bala ban penhiador penpan ya ki bor ki ikhtiar jong ki Autonomous District Council. Usang mau la keno ba ke NPP kala Kenya kini ki council kum ki nong genti shimet jong ki ba ula ong ba ki pat ba ki tip syai ya ki jing le jong ke NPP halor ki mat kum ka an Citizenship Amendment Act ba ke inner line permit. Ula penpau ya ke jingit scam jong ha ke bor jong ke Seng Congress ben job da ke penpau ya ke jing one patch Seng jong bunut ki MLA ki MDC ki berim syakani ke Seng.
Now, voting for NPP would be a very, very disastrous. Because right now you could see actually they are entertaining all the outsiders. Now, if NPP is voted back again, you never know. Last time you could have seen where the Supreme Court has already kept some line, but yet they have already increased that particular tenure of lease from 30 years to 60 years, which is very scary for the people of the state. Now, if they are voted back again to power, you never know. They might finish off this district council itself. So it's very, very scary if people vote for the ruling. People are well versed about the situation, what is going on. People knew about the CAA, people knew about the ILP, people knew about all things that is happening.